there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, continuing with looking and exploring those domains that are good to for startups in businesses in 2021. Today, the topic that I'm going to talk about is on consulting. So consulting is a great, role that you actually play to build businesses, so that because you actually guide businesses to success, to grow, to become profitable, especially when you are consulting a small business or startup, because you are delivering what the shortcomings that the CEO or the management may have, or providing them with a direction that is really useful to those startups. So I'm going to talk about five different ideas for consulting businesses in 2021. And if you happen to have the expertise in any one of them, I think you should jump straight in, because there are lots and lots of opportunities today. So let's start talking about it. Before we do, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you would be informed. And please share my videos with like-minded people who would benefit from my videos, from my guidance. So let's look at the presentation. So the first idea or area for consulting is digitization. Now, obviously, you would know that around the world, everything is becoming digitized. So everyone is going digital. There is something called a digital transformation, which essentially means that you are transforming your business into a digital mode, and thereby you are increasing your increasing your chances to actually grow your business, to have more revenue, and to have more profitability. So that's a business model switch, and you are gearing up to deliver businesses on the online or web or mobile space to your customers. So that is digitization. And if you look at me, I too have been in the technology and marketing space for a very long time, over 20 years. And I work primarily on the digital online space. My company works on digital transformation, building products, working on artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT models, and delivering that to the customers. I will leave behind my company URL in the description below. And also, if you look at my own personal website, I do talk about entrepreneurship in the digital world, startup in the digital world. So my personal website will also be in the link. The link to that will also be in the description down below. So digitization is the key to success for any business today. And if you have the skill sets to guide a company through digitization, I think you should jump right in, because there are lots of opportunities. There are a lot of people, a lot of companies who are looking at consultants who could help them build their businesses. There are many business owners who really don't have much idea about the digital world. They have a very fleeting, very shallow idea about the digital world, and they all talk about, they don't talk about strategy. They just talk about the superficial stuff, and they really don't make much impact in their businesses. Hence, digitization is one key area that you may want to get in if you have the skills. The second is on regulatory and compliance. Now, given the world moving into a digital platform, uh, that brings along with it a lot more complicacies, and how you share your data, how you comply to various regulatory compliances, especially for finance, banking industry, data privacy, and all of that. Even in security, cybersecurity, and all of that. So you need a specialist who could look into the regulatory aspects of each of these small pieces in business, whichever impacts your business at whatever point in time. So compliance, regulatory guidelines, guidance and all are very, very crucial. So that's the reason why there is a concept on RegTech, regulatory technology. So there are so many companies who jumped into RegTech to build those models which they can provide as a service to the business owners or the businesses, even enterprises who are looking for those services, especially in the technology domain. So if you have that expertise and you have certification, the requisite certifications, please dive in. There is a lot of potential in this business, in this consulting business. The third is skills development. Now, with the changing world, a lot of people have to upskill themselves. Otherwise, they will not survive in the workforce. So they don't upskill themselves, and they will be either left out or they will be asked to go. So training, online education, building those specific skill sets that are required in every domain are very, very crucial. And these skill sets are transitional skill sets. They are moving skill sets. You have to keep developing it over time. So as a business model, you have a ready-made business model which you can extend over years after years after years, because people will definitely require skill sets to be developed. Companies, organizations will really need to have their employees, going through the training and developing skills so that they can keep up with the changing world of innovation, digitization, with new products coming in, new concepts coming in, new ideas coming in around the world. So this is very critical. The fourth area which is linked to this is actually in recruitment and talent search. So because you need more and more talent with the required skill sets, the role of a talent search manager or a consultant is very, very important, because he or she really would know what is the requirement that the company has and what kind of people are available in the market, or if they can bring in people from elsewhere to supply to actually fit the requirement for the company. So the role of a talent search manager is important. So that's another great business that you may want to get in if you have the required skills. And so because there are lots and lots of opportunities in this field. And you would notice, if you're working in your current organization, you would notice that these skills are very, very crucial. And every HR department, HR head would be in constant touch with the talent search consulting companies in their cities or in their countries. The fifth area is actually on supply chain. Now, what is also happening is there are multi sources of multi-sourcing of product that has been happening around the world, whether to build a specific a concept product, or to build your own, let's say, or your own product, or your own maintaining your own supply chain for any company. So if you have the skill sets in supply chain, you should also get in, because this supply chain domain can actually integrate very well with digitization. So you would have read that supply chain has been using many ideas, many platforms on which are quite being used a lot. For example, blockchain. Blockchain is used in supply chain these days to verify every point of the supply chain delivery. So you can track your the last mile delivery, truck. You can track from where your product is coming in, how it's moving, your sourcing, all of that. You could do that, and if you have that expertise, and if you also have the technological expertise, and you are a big, you could become a big player as a consultant for many companies around the world who are looking for solutions in supply chain multi-sourcing. So those were the five top areas that I would imagine are crucial, are important, and have got great scope in the future, starting just about today. So if you have any of these, please jump in, and I'm quite sure that you would be successful in getting clients and growing your business. So like I keep saying, I have a video on how do you start your own business with pretty much zero investment or very little investment. I'll put that on the card above. And that's it, guys. So as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL as well in the description down below. You will find my company website and my brand website, my personal entrepreneur training coaching website. Now you can drop me an email on any one of those websites. You can contact me there, or you can drop me a note on LinkedIn after you connected with me, and I shall reach out to your email. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be informed. And please share my videos. Please share my videos with people who will really benefit, and they can use my ideas and my guidance to grow their own business. So that's it, guys. You have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Bye-bye.